Hey everybody, today I'm gonna check out this cordless hand massager with heat and compression that I received for ribbing purposes. It comes in this bag and I think that it's really nice because you can use it on both of your hands and it's suitable for different sizes. You can adjust it and it has many different functions that I think that it's gonna be really handy, perfect for relax when you are out of work or if you just want to have a real time by yourself, you can do it. We get included in the box a set of disposable gloves, a gift ribbon if you want to use it as a gift for someone, your partner, your mother, whoever you want to give it, and a little card so you can use it, making it a really nice gift for anyone that needs it. We also get the proper instruction manual with all the important information about how we are going to use this hand massager, which I think that it's really nice and really important to take a look at it. We have in here the proper main unit. So you can see it comes protected with this back and take it out of it. And as you can see, it comes with a travel bag, a finger roller, and it's this beautiful colored one here. As you can see, it has holes for your thumb, and in here we have all the buttons that we're going to use to control it. It also comes included with a wall adapter, so you can use a USB-A to Type-C charging cable to charge it, and what I like is it also comes with a proper charging cable included. That way we can just right off the box start charging it up. We also get included a finger massager you can use both before and after massaging our whole hand, which I think that it's really nice. It's this wall while you just pass it through your fingers, making it a really more comfortable experience. And when we're just gonna use it up, the hand massager, we're just gonna go ahead and place our hand inside of it, and as you can see, we get our fingers out of the last part and the side hole for our thumb. And as I've said, to control it, we're just going to use the buttons of the top part, and it's really easy to use. Depending on the color of the button, it's on the setting that it is, and what I like about it is that we have different functions that can adjust, making it a really complete experience, and different each time that we use it. We get first 3 different modes of the kneading, the hand pressure, which I think that it's really nice. You can change them depending of which one you prefer and the time of day. And we can also activate the soothing or heating function that I think it's really nice, and we can also set it up however we like it. You can also select the intensity in which the massage is gonna be functioning, making it a really nice experience because you can set it up if you want a little bit more slowly or a little bit higher depending on how you feel that it's needed. And in any case that your hands are a little bit bigger, you can actually select the size with the last button, making it a really nice setting and perfect for anyone to use. But it can be a perfect gift for your loved ones, albeit your father, your mother. It can be gifted as a holiday gift, a birthday gift, or in any case that you want to gift or to make your loved one day a little bit more comfortable. I think that this is a really nice option. Overall, I think that this is a nice choice for anyone to wanna to unwind upon work, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.